Hey everyone, this is Randy from BibleBuyingGuide.com. I just received the 1995 NASB Thompson Chain Reference Bible in the Premier Collection. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. It's going to look the same as the other Thompsons as far as internal, but this one is a little different in that the cover is a different color. So I wanted to show an unboxing of that. Here we go. So this is my first look at the NASB in the 95 Premier Collection. And it is packed in there. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so here are the features. It is the 95 NASB, 100,000 references, 8,000 topics. So everything in this is standard Thompson chain reference. 36 GSM European paper, 9.5 point font. Box is sturdy, feels good, good and solid. Little trick on opening these, you can pull it that way. Sometimes you can get them out without having to tear that wrapping, but they all come in this wrapping. I don't usually show them because I don't usually do an unboxing because I have so many I got to deal with. There is the cover. Get this out of the way. So that is a tan. I'm not sure that the color is going to come across well on the video. It's a little bit more orange than yellow. And there's the look of it. It's a good green. I love that green. It's a thick leather, perimeter stitching. There's the spine hubs, leather liner, edge lined, goatskin leather cover. So yeah, this looks good. I can get this in the frame better. I don't have a good setup. I need a good setup. And this little hump right here with that section coming apart shows me that it has overcast stitching. So that's what this is. That overcast stitch line right there. So I'm a fan of that 36 GSM European paper. That feels good. That is good paper. So if you're familiar with the Thompson, with the Comfort Print Thompson, this is going to match all the other Comfort Print Thompsons that they've done. The difference is it will use words in the index, in the margins, that match this translation. So that's always helpful. That way, if you're used to this translation, the words will work for you. And then in the back, the topic numbers will be the same as all translations. It'll just have the names that match this translation. So yeah, the font is easy to read, 9.5 point. It's good, large, dark font. Poetry looks good. It's really hard to get poetry. Yeah, there's a few there that's a single word, but that's hard not to do, especially when you have just a few words per line. It's really hard not to do that. So we still have our red highlights. There's the book introductions. Thompson chains. And this one should be a black letter, just like all the other Premier Collections. And yeah, it is a black letter. The Premier Collection is the only black letter edition from the Thompson chain reference editions from Zondervan. And here we have Old Testament quotes in all caps. You can follow these chains all the way through. And the beginning of a chain is going to have a little arrow, and the end of the chain is going to have a little square or a dot, a little square. And then we have our comprehensive helps. There's our Bible helps. So that's quite a bit of information back there. So we have red under gold, gilt edges. numerical index. So we got an alphabetical index in front of that. Look up any topic you want. There's your numerical index. I've covered the Thompson itself several times, and when I'm doing the review of this, I will go through some of the information about it and show how to use it and that sort of thing. So I'll come back and do a more complete review. There's the condensed outline, but this just to show the information that's in it. Bible character studies, lots of charts, lots of maps, redrawn maps. Some of the older material has been removed. No archaeological supplement. There's the concordance. And I'll go through an analysis of this concordance. And then there's our maps. The Zondervan maps. Quite a few maps back there. Some pages for notes, that's good. And then there's the map index. I kind of would like to have seen the pages for notes be in front of the index maybe, but it doesn't matter a whole lot. It's just me being picky. Some table of weights and measures and money. So that's good. I'm glad to see that in there. It's a good index too because it separates by different divisions, which I'll go through and show, but there it is. But yeah, that's a good looking Bible. Easy to read. Paper feels smooth. It doesn't feel too smooth. I can still grab the pages and turn them easy. It's opaque. The only place I see any show through is where there's nothing printed on the other side of the page, like right here. And that's normal. It's easy to read, no trouble at all. Good dark font. So yeah, I'll come back with a full review of this. Zondervan did supply this in exchange for an honest review. And stay tuned for my honest review. But so far, I'm really liking that 10. Let's see what they called it. Premium goatskin leather 10. So yeah, I like that 10. That looks good. I specifically wanted this edition over all the others just so I can have the 10 goatskin. So yeah, I like that. So stay tuned for my review. Thanks for watching.